Hello YouTube, welcome to Condenser. I am Harsh Kumar and in this video we will create HDMI section. Let me show you. Today we will create this section. So let's start without wasting any time. So for this, what we need? We need to replicate this div but with a reflect image. Then what we do? Just copy and paste this section. And just remove this hero button completely because we don't need it in this section. And add a title: search engine optimization. We provide top ranking search result and replace the image with SVG. It's quite identical, it's good, but we need to change the column. So we add a class order2 and order1. Now what? SEO section, add a comment. So we need to add order class. This order class work with our grid. Let me show you. First, order 1, order 1, and copy, paste. Order 2, order 2. Now let me show you the result. You can see our grid layout is reversed because of the order property. The order of the components change, components or column, whatever you want to say. We have created this second section. Let's try to work with the other section also. So this is simple. Just we need to add the hero section. So copy, paste, remove the button, change the image. Let me check. It's quite good. So that's all for now. In this video, we have created 2 sections. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Condenser and hit the notification bell. Goodbye.